Hello guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials, and my name is Dr. Joseph. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would also advise that as you are watching this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now we are discussing empirical and molecular formula. Question says a 4.25 gram sample of a compound that contains only carbon, hydrogen, and what? Oxygen was burnt in an atmosphere of pure oxygen. This produced 9.34 gram of carbon dioxide and 5.09 gram water. Calculate. You have A, B, C, D. Now the first thing you have to do in this case, you say carbon over carbon dioxide times product of what? Carbon dioxide. Carbon over carbon dioxide times what was produced at the end of the reaction. Carbon is what? 12. The molar mass of carbon dioxide is what? 44. That is 12 plus 16 times 2. 16 times 2 is what? 32. 32 plus 12 is what? 44. Then times the product. Okay, 9.34. So you say 12 times 9.34 equals 112.08. 112.08 divided by 44. I'll have 2.55 gram of what? Carbon. And they said carbon and what? Hydrogen. So it means hydrogen is the atomic element. So water, then times products of what? Water. Times product of water. You have 2 over what? 18. It is 18 because 2 plus 16. Oxygen is what? 16. So 16 plus 2 is what? 18. Times the product. What is the product? 5.09. Okay, 2 times this is 10.18. So 10.18 divided by 18 equals 0.57 gram of hydrogen. Alright, 0.57 gram of what? Hydrogen. Now B, what was the mass of oxygen? To get the mass of oxygen, is simply the addition of this and this away from this. That means 2.55 plus 0.57. I will have 3.2. That's 4.25 minus the addition of this, and that gave me 3.12, and that is 1.13 gram of what? Oxygen. Alright, so this is the first step to be taken. Now for me to look for, now in empirical formula I can actually calculate in gram and also in percentage. Now before I start looking for the percentage of each element in the full compound, I will have to look for what? The empirical molecular formula first. The empirical formula first. And before we erase it, let's take note of this. So which means I can now rub off others. Alright, let's do it. I have carbon, hydrogen, and what? Oxygen. Carbon is what? 2.55. Hydrogen is 0.57. And oxygen is what? 1.13. Now the next to do is to divide by their mass number. That is their mass number. You have what? 12, 1.01, then what? 16. Alright, so you see 2.55 divided by 12, I'll have 0.21, then I have 0.57 divided by 1.01, I'll have 0.56. Alright, then the next one is what? This one. I have 1.13 divided by 16 equals 0.07. Alright, so the next thing is to divide by the least value, and the least value here is what? 0.07. So you divide by 0.07, 0.07, 0.07. So you say 0.21 divided by 0.07 equals 3 to ratio 0.56 divided by 0.07, that will give me 8 to ratio 1. Therefore, the empirical formula now, the empirical formula is C3H8 and what? O. If I'm not mistaken, this is what? A propan 1O. That is propanol. Propan 1O. We call it what? Propanol. Now, to now look for the percentage composition of each element in this propanol, we do it like this. Alright, it becomes, so this is the last part. Alright, percentage of what? Carbon. It becomes carbon, which is C3 over the full compound C3H8 and O, then times 100 over what? 1. Alright, carbon is 12, so 12 times C3 is what? 36 over. Let's look for the molar mass of this. This 36 plus 8 plus 16. 36 plus 8 plus 16. That will give me 60. So the molar mass of propanol is what? 60. Then times 100 over what? 1. This will go into this. Alright. So 2 here 3, 2 here 5. Okay, so you do like this. 36 times 5 equals 180. 180 divided by 3 equals 180 divided by 2. That should be okay. I have 30% carbon. Alright. So 36 times 5, 180. 180 divided by 3. Sorry, I have 60 divided by 3 is what? 60. So the next one is what? Percentage of what? Hydrogen. That becomes, hydrogen is what? H8 over what? H8 over C3H8O times 100 over what? 1. So you say 8 over 60 times 100 over what? 1. This will go into this. 3, 5. So 8 times 5 is what? 40. Alright, 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 divided by 3, I have 13.3% hydrogen. Alright, 13.3% hydrogen. Okay, so the next one is what? Percentage of what? Oxygen. Oxygen is what? O. Alright, O over what? C3H8O times 100 over what? 1. Oxygen is what? 16. We have 60 times 100 over 1. Here 3, 2 here 5. So 16 times 5 equals 80. So 80 divided by 3, 80 divided by 3, I'll have 80 divided by 3. I'll get 26.7%. Alright, so I have you see now. So if to know if what you have solved so far is correct, we have to sum everything together to get 100. Look at what I did. I said 60 plus 13.3 plus 26.7, and that gave me what? 100. So it means that what we've solved so far is very, very correct. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Please do not forget to subscribe. Play the video over and over again to have a better understanding of it. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.